We staan by Better Health Studio, 6010 New Utrecht. Laat maar aanchecken doen, Gevre. Okay, Gevre, let's check in over here to the gym. Better Health Studios. Ah, Rabbein.
How are you?
How are you, Benzi? Shalom Aleichem. Let me give you the mic, give it a clip on. We're holding out the perfect time between Purim and Pesach. The Oilem needs a good gym, a good workout.
Yeah, now's the best time.
Wow, so I heard about your gym. I mean, there are many gyms, but there's something special about this gym, which I heard. You open 24/6.
Pretty much, yeah, pretty much.
24/6, whenever you want, the Betzin is here for you.
Men only, men
only.
Men, we could do boys also, but not only men.
Only men, so that's also a chiddush. So it's not like Tuesdays is men, Wednesdays is women, so I have to reckon out when I'm coming. You're open 24/6 for men only.
If you're from man and you want to work out, anytime you want, we're here.
Wow, geschmack of coffee before you start the gym, a good energy bar, and then into the gym. So let's go. Take us inside over here. Let's see what's going on over here.
Yes, we have some gear. People come to the gym sometimes, they don't
You're
have
saying instead of working out with you?
You can work out any way you want, and I want to
Good
encourage
sweatpants, good t-shirts.
We have all different stuff for people if they need. We have our locker room over here.
A locker room.
Showers,
wow. You see gestellt. Wow, this is a nice place over here. Beautiful gym.
And this is the gym.
Hey, Chaim, wo ist das denn?
Yossi.
Und ich bin gehabt, heißt die das noch?
No way.
Good morning, Rabbi Say, ja.
Good morning, Rabbi Say. Wo ist das denn?
Ich will das wissen an der Hand. Rabbi Eli sucht allemal, it's not the daf, it's the yomi. I want to tell you one thing, it's also by workout. It's not the workout, do workout, it's the yomi every day, come and make a workout.
Yeah, but
even though take the chair and sit and watch the daf of yomi.
But Yossi, you can't sit on the chair, you gotta do it. You gotta work out.
Oh, you gotta work out too? Sure, what do you think?
No way, Benzin, you have the right guys over here. This guy's sitting there watching it up.
You have to rest also, then you take the chair. But then you tell your wife, I did 1 hour on the treadmill. You don't have to tell her the secret. You also have a chair here to watch the Daf Yomi, with Rebelli.
Unbelievable. Yossi, die bist doch...
Ich will das auch mal sagen. Ich habe es gewollt durchgesucht von Menschen. Man fragt mich in der Store, bitte, man ist da gibt es Frühstück bei Yossis. So if you do the right workout, if you keep the positive life and day, you land it up for Yomi, you do the workout, you can eat a good breakfast by Yossi, you stay healthy and happy.
Ah,
that's the trick.
Wow, so Yossi,
have also a good cheese Danish once in a while.
A good cheese Danish once in a while. So Yossi, you're happy here in the gym, Zetos. Zetos, Yossi's eyes are bleeding over here.
Fine, du. Menschen kommen around. Feine Menschen, treffst du Knecht. Du weißt, dass ich muss geschehen, du Business auch.
Really?
Treffst du Menschen, du sind auch, und du zum Reden, man hilft sich einem dem Zweiten. A gym is a part of the community that you try to help each other. You know this guy Benzin? You know why?
He's the man over here.
You know why I'm here? Because Benzin is the kind of guy, just like Rebelli gives a shir, and just like I give food for people. Menschen meinen, ich mach Geld. Nein. Benzin is the guy. Come here, you gotta do workout, come here, I'll try to make a deal with you. You come in, I'll give you a better price. Just come and do it. Come together with friends, you gotta get a price. Ich komme da zusammen mit Chavairem. Meine Arbeit, meine Managers, man macht zusammen eine Gruppe, man tut zusammen mit der Workout, zusammen Chais, also geht. Also geht.
Wow, guys did some shit, ich will nicht verstehen.
Yeah, I gotta do more, yeah.
Okay, so he's on the treadmill. Let's go further over here. So let me hear a little about the gym over here. I see the equipment you have is really high-end, solid equipment.
It's all solid commercial equipment. Everything that you need in a gym. Some people come on their own. They know what to do already. They've been working out for years. Some people come with a friend who knows what to do, and that's also great. But most people come. We set them up with a trainer. They don't have experience. They want to do it right. They don't want to hurt themselves. They want to get the most benefit out of the time that they're here. So we set them up with a trainer, and with a trainer, there's so many things you could do here. You could be busy here. You can come for a quick workout for a half hour, but you can come as many times as you want during the week.
Wow. So once a person has a membership here, he can come 24/6 whenever he wants.
Exactly.
He can be here all day.
We give you a key fob. You can get in.
Really? You got a key fob, and you come whenever you want?
Come whenever you're comfortable. You want to come early in the morning, you want to come late at night.
Now, besides that, you could set a person up with a personal trainer to guide him how to do his exercise. Amazing.
For sure. We have personal, we have semi-private. You can work out with your friend. We have groups. We make some private groups. Somebody wants to work out with other people, but he only wants to come with his friends. We'll set up a private group.
Nice. Let me hear. Bucharim now. It's coming Bein Hazmanim. Bucharim want to work out.
For sure. It's a very healthy idea. It's a very safe outlet. Very great place to be rather than
Bucharim are invited.
Being lost on the street somewhere.
Of course.
To do, for sure.
So Bucharim are invited.
Yeah. One of the local yeshivas sends like in the afternoons, people leave on their lunch break. They come
here to work out. It's amazing. Such a healthy thing. So good. I mean, I have to start doing it. I've been seeing. I mean, I thought the berberine from Ozempic from Zalus is going to work, but so far it's taken a while. I think I have to start working out. It's such a healthy thing. Boys.
I had a very big conversation with somebody, a doctor recently, about the idea that even if people are going on Ozempic and they're doing whatever they want to do, they still at the end of the day, you're going to have to learn how to eat healthy, and you still need to learn how to exercise for your life.
100%. How about boys?
Yes.
12, 11, 12,
yeah, we actually have boys classes.
Really? You have classes
just around
for boys?
that age, 11, 12, 13.
With a trainer?
Yeah, with the trainer.
So if a mother wants to send a 12-year-old boy to go do exercise, go, stay fit, stay healthy, you have a group, a boys group as well.
For sure. And they can call me. We can make we have plenty of time and the trainers to do additional groups.
Wow. If a guy wants to just hit you up and hear a price, hear a deal, what's group or private, what's the number to hit you up?
My phone number is 347-558-1800. That's my cell phone number. Leave me a message. I'm happy to get
Call, text, WhatsApp?
Call, text, WhatsApp, absolutely.
And you'll get back to them?
We'll get back to you. We'll try to figure something out that works.
Wow, if a person can't afford, the price, you work with people?
Absolutely. We try to make something to work with their budgets. Nobody gets trapped over here. It's not one of those gyms where you make a membership and
you're stuck over there.
We're not into that at all.
Wow. I'm seeing Kol Hakavod. Give you a lot of credit for, from being the last few minutes with you. I get the picture that you're here for the klal. You want the Olim should be healthy. You want the Olim should be gesund.
For sure.
You're not here to, just put people into the system, go, let me make you money and go. You're here to work with a person. I know how important it is
for me, so I know for sure how important it would be for other people.
You've been working out your whole life?
Yeah, for sure. Pretty much my whole life. In fact, when I was the director of Yel Vialda years ago, I loved it. They're great people, Yel Vialda. And a middle-aged man, probably in his 50s, came to me and he told me, you know what, I've never had better shalom bayis in my life than when I'm coming to the gym. My whole life has changed.
Why?
You feel better when you come to the gym, and every part of your life gets better.
Wow. Okay, I've been seeing. He's back at the shir over there, Yossi. Yossi, wie alt, welche darf jetzt? Haal noch in the emails. 99. Gewaldig. Okay. Chevre, checking legit stuff here.
You want gloves? We have boxing gloves.
You have boxing gloves as well. But this is a chiddush. You have showers, you have outfits for the person, you have boxing gloves. You set the guy up from A to Z.
Yeah, maybe we're going to talk to Yossi. Maybe we're going to have a good, healthy lunch options available.
You're saying you come here, you get free lunch at Yossi's. All right. Chevre, check in, my good friend Ben Zion. Okay, Ben Zion. Before we wrap it up, wherever we go, everybody knows we always make a Chaim Perlowitz Show promotion. What is the promotion of today?
Promotion for today, if you call us and mention the Perlowitz Show between now and Pesach, we'll give you 10% off without any questions asked.
10% off. Thank you so much.
Never
That's
any
beautiful.
pressure over here. Don't feel like if you're going to call me or if you're going to come check the place out, you're going to feel pressured.
No pressure.
Absolutely
no intimidation.
Pressure.
Come check it out.
Come talk. If it's not for you, it's no problem. We understand.
What is the address?
6010 New Utrecht.
6010 New Utrecht.
6010 New Utrecht.
6010 New Utrecht. Come meet Ben Zion. He'll show you the place. He'll talk to you. He'll tell you how to make you a better, fit, healthy person. Check it out and have a great day, Chevra.
Thank you so much.